Yo, back up in this thing, man, with another epic video. I hope they epic. I hope they be epic. I hope y'all love my content, man. I hope my content be epic. I hope y'all can't wait to see when B-Lo posts, man. I really hope. I really hope. But yeah, I know the lingo, man. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, consider subscribing, man. Like, comment, and yeah. So, man, oh, and also hit that notification bell, man. So every time I drop, y'all will be notified. Now, I spoke with y'all a little while ago about I was having transmission problems. Been driving the car still doing the same thing. So I said I ordered the sensors. The TPS and the out of air control. Ordered both of those. They here today. So what we gonna do? We about to put these things on, and we gonna see if that changes anything. Also, I know this is an unrelated post. I mean, this is an unrelated subject, but the fender came in for the camera, man. So guess what? The Camry is about to go to Mr. Lynn, man. The Camry finna go to Mr. Lynn. We're gonna handle that. Gonna handle this. Gonna handle that. Yeah. We're gonna handle this. We got a dough. Y'all saying when we went to Texas, we bought the dough. We got a dough. The fender just came in. Probably gonna have to order some more of them bumper clips right there. I think they broke. I'm gonna have to do something about that down there because it keep dropping down. I don't understand, but it keep dropping. Yeah. I got the chrome things right here. This car didn't come with fog lights, but I'm gonna get the chrome ones and put the fog lights in there. I'm gonna get my dog Damien to go over these headlights for me. If not, I'm gonna have to buy some more. Yeah, man, I'm gonna put our LEDs up front. So yeah, finna get the cam dog dropped off. More than likely, I'm gonna find some wheels, the Camry wheels that go on here, and not these hood caps, cause I don't like them. I don't like them hood caps, man. So hopefully, I'm gonna find some Camry wheels at a reasonable price, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna put that on there. Yeah, man, I just put a little wash down on the Firebird, man. You know, that thing looking real gleamy right now, but that ain't what y'all came here to see. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to pop this hood. I'm about to show y'all these sensors, and we're gonna get in here. We're gonna drive this thing, man, and see what happens. Drive it, see what happens. So give me a second. Go in here so I can show y'all what's going on. Be right back. Alright, so here we go. Got a new TPS. And we got a new out of control. So yeah, I guess we're finna, which is this right here and this right here, and these two sensors right here. So yeah, let me look and see. Yeah, take them off. Finna take them off, man. Put these new ones on. I guess we're gonna fire this thing up and take it around the block or something, see what it do. Still do the same thing. Then we're gonna eliminate that and go to step 2, which is dropping the trans, which I don't want to, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do, man. There's stuff coming up that I got to be a part of, so I gotta do it. Hopefully I don't gotta drop the trans, but if I do, then it is what it is. But while I'm here, man, shout out to that guy, man. Cooler be cooler, man. Tattoo the pavement, man. Y'all see what's going on. I'm rocking that boy merch today, man. You know. So yeah. Man, I'm not, hey look, if you see this video, I'm not doing any strenuous work in your shirt, man. I'm not finna get the shirt dirty, hopefully. I don't think I'm gonna get the shirt dirty. But just changing these sensors, I should not get this shirt dirty. So yeah, your shirt is not a car work on shirt. So I don't want you to think that, dog. So yeah, man, let me get to that. Hit you right back. Alright, y'all, so here go the old sensor. Both of the old sensors. I don't really know what to look for, but that's how this one look on the top of it. I don't know if that means anything. I guess bad or whatever. And here go the TPS. Don't know, same out of place. Got some little oil or something in it. Whatever it is, I don't know. But anyway, here go the new stuff. Finna put these in and see what we get. Oh boy. Alright, y'all. Here we go. The check engine light came on the other night, so we ain't got no check engine light right now. Camera rolling. Y'all see how bad my transmission leaking? But this is from like, it's just leaking over time. That ain't what leak like every time I stop. Also, man, I gotta show y'all something else too, man. When I got my rear end done, they moved my rear end back forward a little bit. And now I got a big, right here, I got a big gash in my tire because this little spot right here. So I gotta cut that out. It's tearing my tire up, done towed my tire up. Couple spots, gas right here too. So now I need another tire. And I need a tire for the back and the front. There's a mosquito in here. I'm gonna open this roof this time. I'm gonna open this thing up, man. Woo. I don't think I never rolled like that before. It always give me second gear. It'll give me that. I'm gonna see what's over these other gears. Man, these mosquitoes are vicious, boy. Gave me second. Yeah. One touch and no touch. Just like that. We back up out of here. And yeah, you gotta deal with the task at hand. The sensors didn't solve the problem. So I'm gonna say it's safe to say that the trans is bad. So yeah, gotta do that. Gotta have all this done. I wanna have it done before the 29th, man, so I can hit car show out there. So I'm gonna call Mike in a minute. See what he can do, see what Rocco say. And go from there. So yeah, I should have bagged in, man, because I kind of want to start on this AC stuff, but I'll probably do that this weekend. I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, with that being said, man, y'all know how it go. It's your boy Beto 25, man. And it is what it is.